Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the sensor and getting control of exposure. If your camera uses a CMOS rolling shutter, you must reduce readout effects now. Mount the camera solidly on a tripod or gimbal. Once done, switch to a high shutter speed, 1/500 or higher, and lower exposure with ND or aperture adjustments. Make sure ISO stays reasonable to avoid noise, and prefer shorter scan directions when framing. These immediate actions minimize rolling artifacts while you prepare for deeper fixes. You now apply advanced tactics to eliminate residual skew. If swapping to a global shutter camera isn't possible, use bright continuous light or sync a high-speed flash to freeze subject motion during the sensor readout. This forces consistent exposure across lines. Also, orient the camera so dominant motion travels parallel to the sensor's readout direction. Doing this reduces geometric shear. Once you've optimized lighting and orientation, run test clips at multiple shutter speeds and review frame by frame to confirm improvement. You finish by validating and correcting what's left. Capture calibration shots with controlled motion, then compare before and after to measure remaining skew. If needed, apply post-processing tools that warp frames using motion vectors to correct rolling shutter. Make sure to match frame rate and shutter speed metadata for best results. If artifacts persist despite hardware and software fixes, consider firmware enabling shorter readout modes or consult a technician, especially if sensor timing or readout electronics may be faulty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.